See that electrical over there that we just saw? That's got to be old. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Oh, cool. It's got the older doorknobs and stuff on it. Whoa, hey, okay. I heard it. Okay, it must be... There's really not any wind in here. That's kind of wild. I think it's just one of those doors that kind of... Let's see, it catches on the carpet, though. Okay, did I just have my first door moving experience? Okay, guys. It's wet. It's raining. It's nasty. But this looks like this might be worth checking out. Oh, my feet are soaked. It's kind of near a highway, but it's back far enough that you can't really see this place very much. This looks very cool. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Get my light on for you. Oh, wow. Gotta watch out for bees. The roof is leaking. Wow. Make sure the camera's wiped off a little bit. You can see my breath. A little cold. Very wet. But this looks like a very cool house. And I'm here completely by myself. So Amy is waiting in the car. We don't know who the owners are, so it is for sale. So we're just checking it out. Maybe buy the old place? Yeah, don't think so. It's in rough shape. Talk about a fixer-upper, right? You can hear the rain dripping through the roof. Pacific Northwest summer drives. I think this has a looking for a date. It's got somebody's name on it. Don't see a date. Well, obviously it's been a really long time. And hopefully I don't fall through the floor. Look at this old wood stove. That's awesome. All kinds of sand on the floor. There's upstairs. I just heard something. This old wood stove. Let me know if you see anything, guys. This place definitely kind of gives you a little bit of a creepy feel. It's like they added on a little pantry. And if you hear a car honk, oh, look at that, the front door is just, that was open, right? Yeah, had to be. Could have swore that was shut, but I'll have to look at my footage. It's kind of cool that it's raining outside. I mean, I got soaking wet trying to get here. I figured my feet were already wet when we were exploring earlier, so I didn't put my boots on. All this firewood. These broken windows. It definitely gives you a feeling like you wanna look behind you all the time. Check your six. Look at this roof. It's just completely fallen down. Creepy, creepy. There's the front porch. Hey, come on in. Oh, watch your step there. It's kind of a doozy. There's the front porch. There's that. The highway's right out there, so I gotta be kind of careful. Although we're not doing anything wrong. Just looking at a place for sale. Well, I hope the place doesn't have a basement, because you know how much I love basements. There's got to be a lot of sounds in a place like this. Shower curtain. And look at this room. Wow. Looks like this was a bathroom. Somebody like fishing. Okay. Well, shall we? I guess I'll lead the way, huh? Oh, if I can even get up here. Wow. This railing. Pretty sturdy. It's pretty sketchy. Okay. Oh, look at that. What a contrast, huh? One pack of cigarettes. This floor is really soft. It's wild. The chimney's like right in the middle of the walkway. There's like no attic. It's like There's the windows at the front of the house. That's my car out there. A little tiny bedroom. Little tiny closet. Holes in the floor. Look at the old electrical. This place has got to be old. Alright, so we got one more bedroom. See that electrical over there that we just saw? That's got to be old. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Oh, cool. It's got the older doorknobs and stuff on it. Oh. Whoa, hey, okay. I heard it. Okay, it must be... There's really not any wind in here. That's kind of wild. Yeah, I think it's just one of those doors that kind of... See, it catches on the carpet, though. Okay, did I just have my first door moving experience? I don't think I could have bumped it because it was like that. I was looking at the knob and then I walked away, so yeah, I couldn't have bumped that. That's interesting. Is there anybody here with me? Did you just try to close that door? Got to get a picture of that. Okay, I came back out and through the door again just to see. I touched it, I remember. Man, it doesn't really want to move on its own. Because you can see the catch marks on the rug. But I heard that right there. Let me know if you heard that. I heard like sliding. Okay. Well, might be a little bonus experience there. Oh, here's behind the door. Famous last words. Make sure you get a look for you guys. Look at the hole there. Down into the kitchen. There's another hole that goes into a space over there. And no, I'm not going in there. Sorry. Look at the old electrical insulators. That's when you know a house is early 1900s, possibly even a little older, like 18-something, 1890, up to the 1920s. Then they started changing a lot of that. So, I mean, some people left it in their house for a lot longer, so it does look like they've replaced a lot of the electrical. That is a cool shot. There's a broom and looks like a wasp nest. Wasp nest. Bookend. So what do you think, guys? Pretty cool place, huh? Alright, should we go over here? Take one last look. I just love that. Stopped raining. A little bit of sun coming through. One last look over here. Okay, so somebody probably, did I look in here? It's kind of weird. So the other room stops right there. There's the wall. There's a little tiny attic over here. Good place for storage. It's got the old pull string to turn the old lamps on. That's definitely newer. So what do you think? How long ago did somebody live here? One more look in here real quick. You can see, I guess you can't see through there, but that's all new electrical. So somebody lived here not too long ago. It's a guess maybe 15 years ago. 10, maybe 20, I don't know. It's odd to see a shovel sitting there. Is that a can of like bee spray? Maybe they were trying to kill some wasps or something. That is vinyl hardtop wax. I don't think they were trying to kill bees with that. This floor is, it's about to give in spots. Thought that was a bone at first. It's a stick. Okay, well, let's make our way out of here. Amy's gonna start worrying about me. Okay, thanks for sticking with me. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. I'll try to talk with the mask on. Hit the subscribe button. And hit the like. If you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And if you subscribe and hit the all button, then you can get notifications. Thank you for your support. Alright, I was going to do a little moment of silence. It's kind of hard with the highway nearby, but there's a calendar. What I'm going to try to do, stop talking quite so much here.